So I'm here doing a drone flight. This is the first time I recorded my camera recording a drone flight. So yeah, I'm here. It's a nice open area. We're in Wimbledon. All right, drone flight's now complete, and I was walking back, put my camera on. I'm walking down a footpath in Wimbledon, again towards Wimbledon station. I just found this back path. I just want to explore this. So usually I'd film my action camera after my drone flights, but now I'm using my professional camera, my Sony camera. I want to start recording more with this camera. So yeah, it's really nice. And the good thing about this camera, I could show myself. So this is me walking down. There's not much to see down here. I should have taken the main path, to be honest, but I just wanted to explore here. Bridge coming up. Look at that. It's got these stairs. Really quiet down here. Pretty much no one's here. Got these steps. Nice little bridge overlooking a train. You know what? I'm gonna stay here, wait for a train to go past, and film it. Let's go in the middle of the trains. Wait for a train to come. I'm gonna put my camera here. Or was that a little bit dodgy? I think it's a little bit. Well, I can hold it by the strap anyway. So, what can I put it through here? Look at that. Look at that nice focus shot. Focus directly on it. Look how close we can go to the actual. Train's still going. We've got another South Western Railway red train. Actually, we've got a crevice here. We can. No, actually, no, it's not big enough. Good thing about this lens, this camera, it's got IBIS, so I can hold it. Look at that. I've got like a long portable tripod, a lensy one, and I'm gonna start using that. Yeah, look how long this line goes. It goes, I don't know where that goes to. We've got another fast one, look. Look, we've got another one here. I think I'm just now going to go to the station. So I know how to get back now. Footpath to Donald Road. That's where we were. Walk down here. We're going towards the station. Not much to film down here, to be honest. Let's just go straight down. Look at that close-up shot. We've got the bumblebee. Going for a car park now. Got these stairs though. Look, let's get another shot of the train over here. We've got a tram right there. Look at that. Actually, the good thing about this lens, it's 11 to 20mm. I can zoom in if I want. With the other one that I'm getting, it's only f1.8 prime lens, 11mm. So that means I can't zoom in, but I guess the trade-off is getting a little better low light, and it's a smaller lens as well. It's more portable. Got another train. That's an SWR train. Some nice B-roll shots. So as well as my drone shots, I just want to get shots like this. Next time I go out, I'm going to bring this camera with me, and I'm just going to use the action camera just purely for the POV of the drone. So we can get a nice focus of the plants. Look at that. Look how it focuses. Quality camera, quality lens, Tamron 11 to 20mm. So you can just focus on this little plant, get this little detail here. Get a nice B-roll, look at that. Insane. These shots look like a movie. Let's go to the town centre now. Actually, there's a fast train coming. Let's get a shot of that first. That was a small train, I thought it was a long train. Alright, let's go back now. I was actually walking down and I was like, you know what, I hear a train, let's go back. Town centre. I took my drone from that park all the way to here, and now we are here. From my drone, I just saw this area from a bird's eye view. I actually didn't come here, I come from the tram. A few slow-mo shots. get a little slow-mo shots. It's actually really good, this camera. Really good for slow-mo shots. Let's explore this area, Wimbledon Quarter. Let's just see what's in there. While I'm here, I might as well explore, shoot with this camera. I usually film with this camera at night. This time I'm filming during the day. It's like modern as well. Alright, let's go upstairs and just to see what's up here. Good little area, isn't it? So I'm at the backside of Wimbledon right now. Nothing much to film here, to be honest. Station. Good thing I can zoom in like that on this lens. To Edgware Road. I'm going to go to Paddington. That's going to Edgware Road. Alright, got to go the other way. Alright, so we're just like Paddington now. So as you can see, Tanner Lane. I'm trying to walk down, there's nothing much to see here. I just want to see, basically come here to switch from the district line to the Elizabeth line. Go to this little canal over there, there's a canal. Doesn't look like any clear way to get there. Tanner Lane, that's where we are. Not much to film down here, to be honest. There should be a path down here, as you can see. Look, there should be a path down here. You can see this little line. Quite the focus. You can see this little line going down there. It's supposed to be a road, but there's nothing down at the end. Because it's still sunny, I think I could have done another drone flight. I was actually thinking, while I was in Wimbledon, I was thinking I could have done another drone flight. Go take a tram to Morden Park. Take a tram to Morden, but I didn't have battery. But then I realised I have a fast charging power bank. I could have charged it in 30 minutes. 30 watts. Right, this canal, look at that. I've never been down here. Look how we can get some nice B-roll here now. Look at that little duck. Look at that nice shot, look at that. I might get a time lapse going here. Get some nice shots. So look how close we can get to the lens, yeah? This flower is literally touching the lens. And we're getting some clean focus on it. Amazing. I could easily walk back to the station. I literally went around a long way. But I guess now I can just walk straight back to the station. I'm just going to go down this canal and I'm going to go to the station. Look at that. I've never really been here. I go past Paddington sometimes and I discovered there's a canal here, so I've got some nice slow-mo footage of that. Look at that, amazing views. So at the Wimbledon Canal, it's actually used to be the Wimbledon Canal as well, so at Paddington. Let's get a slow-mo shot of that. Yeah, it's a nice area down here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good slow-mo shots of that as well. Yeah, got some nice shots here. Actually, really nice area. In this place called Paddington Canal. Paddington Base in this area is called. That tall chimney. I wish I could film my drone here, literally, but we're in the no-fly zone. Yeah, nice canals and boats here as well. Yeah, I could fly my drone here, but there's a no-fly zone, obviously. Good thing is that I could fly it out of London. You can actually see the station from this bridge. Anyway, I'm gonna go down now, back to the station. Shot of these, let's get a close shot of these, look at that. It's a nice bokeh, and look at that. Reveal shot, nice. We're back at Paddington station now. The big screen here. If you go close to it, you can get the individual pixels. Look at that. Look at that. When you go close to it, it looks like it's not even on. Because it looks like a display, but it's actually just a bunch of little LED lights. It's quite interesting to look at. Look at that. Get a nice B-roll shot here, look. There's a message from an unseen world, look at that. Get the shutter speed higher. You can see the station, nothing special here to be honest. Well, my battery's a little bit low on this camera now. It's got a line across the battery sign. That means it's below 1% I think. So I've got to like get my power bank, because I've got my fast charging power bank. I can charge this camera without any issues. This power bank's a lifesaver. Base US, look at that. USB type C, straight into my camera. It's like a battery pack from my camera. So like I'm charging as I film. So I can charge as I film, which is amazing with this power bank. I'm just gonna head back to the station now. Nothing much else to see here. Look, there's a bike down there. Look. If I had a polarizing film, you can actually see that well. That is actually insane. Looks like a line bike. Someone dumped a line bike. You know, I've got my Action 5. I can actually put it in the water and get some clear shots, but I don't really have a stick. I don't want to put my hand in the dirty water, so I'm gonna forget that. It's been a good little day, like in late October. Got my drone flight, got some footage in Paddington. Right, so I have a problem. Literally took my DJI mic off while I was walking. The magnet fell off while I was walking. It fell down somewhere. I retraced my steps. Literally nowhere to be seen. So I just lost my DJI magnet. Supposed to go to the back of that, but it's lost. I hope it's in my jumper somewhere, but I don't see it right now. I'm not gonna retrace my steps because I only walked a short distance, and if it's nowhere to be seen, hopefully it's in my jumper somewhere. This happened before. I almost lost it. I thought I dropped it in the grass, but when I later realised it was in my top. It was in my jumper. Right, I actually found the magnet. It was in my jumper the whole time. I knew it was in my jumper.